How to unblock someone on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can unblock someone on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to unblock someone on Messenger, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, if you happen to block someone, open the Messenger app again. Once you open the Messenger app, tap the three lines option from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon that you can find it over here. Once you tap the gear icon over here, just scroll and look for privacy and safety, and just make sure to tap on it. When you tap on privacy and safety, over here you'll find this option known as blocked accounts. So all you have to do is just tap on blocked accounts here. You'll be able to see all the accounts that you've blocked. You can just go ahead and select a specific person, tap on unblock button, and they'll be successfully unblocked. This way you can unblock on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.